Hey, let me start doing the thumbnail. These shades just spoke volumes. I don't know what type of shades these are, but honey, my cousin got some nice stuff. Honey, why you don't have...
Well, I done trying to fuck you, baby. Hopefully we don't have no babies. I don't even want to go back home. Hopefully I don't see you on your own.
What's up, Hustler family? It's your girl SageTheHustla here, back today with another video. Today, guys, I have a June archives from 2019, Ratchet Girl Archives. You already know what's going on. So, if you want to continue to watch, stay tuned. Let me see. I haven't seen these memories in a minute, y'all. Comment down below if you like my hair. Let me know if you like the cooler. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what's popping. Let me see what is up from June of 2019. As you can see, the background is a little different. I am at my cousin's house. I do have the pleasure of being here. I'm grateful. And yeah, this is her amazing closet that I love so much. This is my favorite room of the house. But let's begin. So yes, it looks like I have my fro. Yes, I look like a baby with heavy ass lashes. That's correct.
I look crazy, but it's okay. I accepted it. Like, I got it. Like, I look crazy.
I was really struggling with my natural hair.
I look crazy.
But I had a lot of hair though. I still do. So it just took a minute for me to get comfortable looking like this, walking around. At the laundromat. Fuck it up. Fuck it up. Ayy. Ayy.
Shout out to Trust TV on YouTube, because that nigga lit. I watch him all the time.
I don't be with all the drama. Minding my own business, I'm unbothered.
Oh, why not talk about it? Because I don't think people talk about it enough. So colorism. Do you guys believe that light skins have a privilege?
Comment down below. Shout out to DJ Polish.
Let me tell you about the chick from the West Coast. Light skin, baby hair, but she do the most. She like to bust that ass on her tippy toes. She even tried to make me eat her out before I stroke. She get evil, deadly than a needle. Let me tell you about
June was a pretty boring month, to be honest with you. I love techno, bro. If I could be in a music video for any African artist, it would be techno, Maliki Berry, Burna Boy, Wade Cole, Chief Obi. There's so many. Like, I have a long, anybody on my playlist, anybody that I listen to, lit. Oh, this is when I did bottle service. If you guys want to know like a story time on my experience, comment down below, because I got some tea on what happened with them. But I had so much fun. So much fun. So much fun. Nino Rise and Boast. I was working that night. That's when class came. I didn't know class was that lit. That whole thing was shut down. But this, I love Kofa. When I did my bob, my blonde, bomb hairstylist. Okay. I love her. Come on, right my way. Bring it up. Hey, 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 hey. Every weekend, baby. Hey, 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 hey. Ah, 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 ah. Every weekend, baby. Ah, 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 ah. These bottle that I got. Oh yeah, I got her a gift. And then this was her cake. And me talking about Stefflon London because she's so pretty. I think that's about it, y'all. For June, it was all right. I didn't really do too much except for like work at my bottle service job, work my other job, and just be lit and chill. Yeah, I might be vlogging out here, so stay tuned for that. It's pretty quiet. Like the streets are quiet right now, so I don't know yet. I'm debating. If you guys have not went ahead and subscribed, go ahead and do it now and hit that notification bell so you know when I post. The Hustla family is on the road to 1K subs by August, so please help us reach our goal. Stay clean, stay blessed, and have a beautiful and amazing day.
Y'all coming? Yes, share,
Hey.
subscribe.
Hey.
If
Hey.
you don't, you wanna die. Gonna tell you this one time. This they hustler on that.